What about this guy? What is his name?
Yummy Hotdog Maritome. This is Ben, my cousin.
But you don't look alike, ha? You're not look alike.
Tita, paano sasabihin na, yun agad napansin mo? Paano yun sa English?
You know what to do. Don't do it. Don't do it. Okay?
Don't you worry. I'm just, okay. It's really hot in here.
Yes, Italian. So take off all your clothes.
It's hot in the Philippines, but I have a pasalubong for you. You tell me in the phone na pasalubong is present.
The take-out.
Right?
The take-out. The take-out.
No, dine in first, then if there's a leftover, take out. Ito talaga si Auntie.
Yummy Hotdog Maritome, sorry for my
Yes,
family
baby.
because there is saying is many.
It's okay. I really like your family. It's really big.
Yes.
In America, I'm the only son. So,
Oh.
no more, no less.
No more, no less. Ano daw yun, Tita Trixie?
No more lonely nights.
Tita Trixie, ang galing mo pala mag-English.
Anyway, darling, I want to go back to the hotel. It's very hot, so you will go with
Okay.
me.
I will go
said,
with you.
Your cousin will go with us.
Yes, he will carry the world for you and me.
Okay, you will.
He will assistance us. He will assistance and driver us.
Okay.
Okay, tita, tama ba yung ko English ko, tita?
Yeah, it's kinda correct, but I have to add something.
Okay.
Tommy.
What is it?
This guy is Ben, cousin. I will be your rescue and disaster and rescue you.
Okay, no problem. We'll go to
Okay,
the
let's
hotel.
go, let's
Hey,
go.
nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.